Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a page layout in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply, first we need just to go to the page that you want to create. So let's just go to the management settings for the object or the objects manager. So here we will go to setup, and from there we need to go to object manager. And basically, let's suppose that we want to create a page layout for the account page. So from there we need to find page layouts. So basically here we already have many page layouts. So this is the sales support, the account layouts, and you can access the page layouts so we can see them, as you can see, or you can create your own page. So I'm just going to click on new, and from there you can use a template, like you can start adding from the other page, or you can create a new one. So I'm just going to name it new, and I'm going to click on save. So from here you can start adding the page layout. So those are some panels. You can edit these panels if you would like. So you can add some fields, and you can simply start adding section, blank spaces. All you need to do is drag and drop. And basically all those buttons are in links in action. You can find them here, or you can add your action so you can add them in the page. So basically those are the account details. You can uh, remove the change owner, and you can, for example, start adding fields, account size, or whatever you like. So from here I'm just going, you can add it here, and all you need to do is just to drag and drop until you get the layouts that you would like. Then you will need just to click on save, and that's it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.